I'm here with Sista Afia. Queen Solomon, how are you doing?
I'm good.
You know, one of the people that was looking forward to see perform is you because of the energetic performance that you have. But let's talk about your new song.
Yes.
Makwe, how is it doing so far?
I mean, it's trying its best, as usual with all my songs. All my songs takes time, but I mean, with this song, because it's a new vibe, it'll take a while. But I mean, I'm trying to do my promotion to get the music across.
I've seen you do a lot of stuff with the TikTok influence, but let's talk about the influence of TikTok in promotion of music.
I mean, they're good. I mean, they do their job. And right now, I have a little sister who's behind me. She's always on TikTok 24/7. So to connect with the young people, you just have to do what you have to do to get the song out there.
This is Ashaiman to the world. How was the experience for you?
It was nice. This is like my second time. I loved it. Stonebwoy is like my big brother, so why not?
Thank you very much, Sista Afia. I enjoyed it.